Pretty sure.
What does dash T mean?
It doesn't stop. There it goes. All right. Try again. Still don't like me, do you? Why do you not like me? Why do you not like me? Check your Java settings. That's what's going to tell me.
Why don't you just go to the web launcher? Why don't you just launch it from the web launcher?
It doesn't. There's no.
Have you go to that web page?
No, there's not.
Oh, that's weird. How come I have
That might be my
I'm
problem.
not installing any Java on this.
Thank you for that, Mr. Prison.
And I would add it to go to the gear, compatibility settings. No, it doesn't matter. Go to gear and go to compatibility view settings. Click on it, add it. Refresh. Let's do this.
It does not like me.
That's unfortunate.
Well, this is what I used for the purposes of this class, and totally screw up everything on my system. When in doubt, start over. Close. All right. Loads.
Did you try installing both the 32 and 64-bit Java versions?
That's actually not a bad idea. See what you guys have to look forward to as network engineers? Hours and hours and hours of frustration.
Can't wait.
All right.
Boom, boom.
Wow, that is so frustrating. I'm gonna trick it.
That'll be fun.
I'm actually gonna attach to a different ASA, and then unattach to it and attach to the GNS3 ASA. I hope. Anyway. I wonder if it's something as stupid as this. You obviously got in okay.
Yeah. I had some kind of configuration that always freezes it if I restart it. new meeting software using.
All right. Download the Java runtime environment.
I'm trying that Java 8.
Actually, let me do this. Somebody had mentioned install the 32-bit version.
That might,
Actually, not a bad.
because that's what happens. I'm not sure of what that.
Yeah.
I all had 64s and then had to download them to 32s. And it worked.
Problem is, I'm not seeing a 32-bit version.
Mm.
686.
Yeah, it'll be.
Oh, that's Solaris x86.
How do I check the Java version? That's
Hmm.
So what if you had a 32-bit computer? You couldn't download it.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
I have Java
Hate
8.
Java,
I
man.
have Java version 8, update 31 on my computer.
64-bit? 64-bit? The 64-bit version, Harvey?
It doesn't say anything, but my computer is 64, yeah. Java Standard Edition version 8, update 31, build
Yeah,
1.
the thing is, this is going to kill me. I have to
Maybe you want
figure
to
this out
just
later. That's okay.
update to the newest version?
JRE.
No, that is the newest version.
No, here we go.
There they are.
Well, I closed and opened it
You want the
until all the wiring moved
or
right.
the regular?
x86. That's right.
Do it one more time. I figured it has
That's actually the version I'm looking for, 7U75.
with the do we work
What? What? Oh, I always hate this too.
We got Google.
Some of them do, some of them don't.
All right. There it goes. So it was the 32-bit version.
Duly noted.
God, what a pain, you know what? Click Run ASDM, click OK, and bada bing, bada bang. After a couple of continues,
So which version was it?
32-bit version.
Huh.
Don't do the 64.
Yeah, I'm still using 7.5. So,
Wait, 7.5. Okay.
For the download.
Yeah.
Java 7.
credentials in. All right. And everything comes up. Now from here, it's a lot easier to go through. Go back to get our lab here. All right. So now that you've gone through and you have gotten the web GUI working, okay? So if I want to address the outside interface or the inside interface, configuration, device setup, interfaces.
And that's gonna take a while. You might want to restart. That's where I got stuck. It doesn't go into my interface. I had to restart.
Really?
It doesn't load the interface until I restart the computer.
Ah.
That's where I got stuck.
It's loading. Taking a sweet time.
Patience is a virtue.
Unless you're Professor Brown.
Mine is going through the same step.
Wow.
Restart the computer and see what it is.
God. That is painful. Shouldn't have to restart it. You can just close ASDM down and relaunch it. Device configuration loaded successfully. Well, we know we have the interfaces configured. You can set up users by going to configuration, device management, users in AAA, user accounts. There's my users that I have in there. If I wanted to add one, so admin, password, Apple. And I wanted you to do that one at privilege level 1. Alright? Okay. When you hit apply, it's like actually hitting the command, because you haven't applied the command up until that point in the GUI. Okay? You don't apply the command until you hit apply. You don't save it, you don't actually do your write mem until you come up here and click save. Please keep those two things in mind. Okay? A couple other things here while we have a couple more minutes. So set up a remote access VPN with DES AH as your layer 2 header encryption. Okay? I should say that as a minimum. Wizards. VPN wizards. IPsec remote access VPN wizard. Screenshot that. Take a picture of it. Don't forget it. Okay? Here we go. This sets you through a script to set up a remote access VPN. It's a lot easier than writing about 25, 30 lines of code. Yes? Man, maybe you need to sit up front, sir, because I said wizards.
Oh, okay.
VPN wizards, IPsec IPv1 remote access VPN wizard. Okay, take a picture of that so you guys remember it. That's how you get to the wizard. All right, you're going to set it up on the outside interface. Pretty self-explanatory there. It wouldn't be a remote access interface, remote access VPN if you did it on the inside interface. This is a very, very, very simple VPN that we're creating, where we're going to use a Cisco VPN client. Click Next. You need to put in your pre-shared key and your tunnel name. Revert back to the set your pre-shared key to Cisco. It does not tell you what your group name is. So, take a little liberty here. Call it Lab 3. You can put anything here, doesn't matter, as long as you remember it. Okay, we're going to use the local database. We've already created our users. I can add the other two users here at the same time.
Is this gonna automatically add it to the
Yeah,
local
root.
database?
Yep, it will.
Oh.
So I do root.
But don't you have to set up the server?
It automatically sets it up for, you can go back in there and change that if you want.
Okay. So this is to the this is
Add. I do not have a DHCP pool set up, so I have to create one. Does it want me to set up a DHCP pool anywhere?
Yes.
Yeah, right there. 16 and 53 are my DNS servers. I just can't use anything from 1 through 25. So, name, local net, doesn't matter what you call it. 172.21.10.26, 172.21.10.254, Class C. Next. What's your DNS server? 16 and 53. Oh, 192.168.20. 204.186.20. I didn't ask for any of this stuff, so you can skip over that. All right. Now, this is important so you have access to your internal network, and you can set up split tunneling so that if you ever connect through the VPN, you still have internet access. So here you want to exempt your networks from NAT, and the only network you're going to be concerned about exempting is your local network, the inside network. Right there. That's the one you're going to exempt, so you have access to it. You want to enable split tunneling to let remote users have simultaneous encrypted access to the resources defined above and unencrypted access to the internet. You can check or uncheck perfect forward secrecy. I suggest you always use Diffie Hellman Group 2. This sets everything up. Apply. Alright, save. Now, I go back to my console. Everybody remembers how much configuration we had there initially? It wasn't that much, right? When we did the show run. Now do a show run. And look and see how much you have. Your crypto, your policies, your group policies, your split tunneling, your NAT, your tunnels. Okay? What would you rather do? Would you rather write all that code out or go through like 5 slides? Don't tell me you want to write the code out. What's up? I'm just giving you a hard time.
Do we have to do that for every switch?
No, I have to.
No, just
Just to run it. shit.
We're setting up a remote access VPN through a wizard. Alright. Honestly, guys, that gets you through 60% plus of the lab. If you were to hand that in right there. The only thing you have left to do, did that. Oh, my host name is VPN APP, sorry.
So we just have to rename it.
Yeah. Host VPN APP. There you go. Host name. Did that. Got those done during the setup. This all gets done when you create the VPN.
What does that mean?
That means you cannot use Telnet. So I set up SSH initially, so that's fine. Your DHCP got done when we did the VPN. Set up a standard access list on the ASH to deny IP traffic from there. Really easy. Really easy. Go to firewall. You want to add an access rule. Say from the outside. You want to deny in this case. Right? Deny.
But could you do that again? Let's see it.
All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Firewall. Access rules. Add. Access rule. I'm going to apply to the outside. I'm going to deny. That source right there, I can go ahead and put in that IP address. 87.21.34. /25. Destination, any. There's right there. Apply. Save. You want to see what it looks like? Show run. Here's my access list right there. Magic, right? Okay. Set up your device to use its 10.20.10.1 address as a path for the 172.21.10 network. This is a little bit more tricky. You have to go to NAT rules. You need to add actually you're going to do a network object NAT rule. Actually, I'm out of time. It's going to be dynamic pat. Yeah, look at that right there. Hang on. I'm out of time, actually. Network object NAT rules. Source interface. Inside destination, outside source address. My inside network. Destination address. My actual outside interface. Pat. Source address inside. Sorry, that's actually wrong. My bad. Original.
What's that? Word.
We'll come back to this. I know how to do this actually better on the command line than I do in the GUI. So we'll come back to that on Thursday. We'll finish up lab 3. And we'll go through the lecture that I missed tonight because we messed around with Java all day. So takeaway, Java 32-bit. Can't go wrong, right? Cool. All right, I'll see you guys, some of you guys in 471, where we're going to talk about something kind of cool. We're going to have a fun discussion tonight.